Hi, my name is Alexandra and I will speak a little bit about computer-supported collaborative learning. To begin with, what is collaborative learning? It is learning with peers, but it is not as simple as it may seem at first. It is very important that students who study in a collaborative learning group have shared understanding of concepts and problems they're working with. Thus, their discussions become transactive, and this means that it is not enough that individual students react to a problem that is given to them, but instead they try to build upon each other's contributions, and so they can develop their understanding to more sophisticated levels together. In computer-supported collaborative learning, role of technologies becomes very important. And here it's not to simply provide instructions to students, but instead to promote collaborative interactions by offering more opportunities and more affordances which would not be available in a traditional face-to-face setting. It is also very important to make sure that students are actually aware of the learning opportunities that are offered to them, because those learners who do not have much experience in collaboration may find it quite confusing and difficult to navigate in a digital environment. So there should be some additional guidance provided for such students. One should also take into account the social aspect. For example, it should not be taken for granted that interactions will occur simply because technologies make it possible. One should consider the psychological dimension of social interaction. For example, it is very important to make sure that students get to know each other before they actually start to collaborate. It can be very difficult to start discussing difficult concepts and complex phenomena with someone who you haven't even met. So it sounds that there are quite many challenges in organizing a computer-supported collaborative learning course. Collaboration scripts is one way to address those challenges. So how can we trigger effective collaborative interactions? There can be different types of collaboration scripts. For example, here I have two of those. It can be a peer review script, which distributes roles among students in a group. So roles can be really different. It can be an analyst or a critic. So the main idea is that each individual student gets specific responsibilities, which makes it easier for him or her to proceed with the task. Epistemic script is a bit different, and its main function is to provide students with a step-by-step procedure of accomplishing a task. And so students who do not have much experience in collaboration also can take it as an example, as a guideline. However, it is also crucial to avoid overscripting, because in the same group you may have students who actually have some experience in collaboration. And so those students may find it motivationally difficult to follow a script which may be not that effective for their own learning. So, as you can see, it is not really easy to plan and implement an effective computer-supported collaborative learning course. But you should remember that such courses offer multiple opportunities for students' active knowledge construction. And so it is absolutely worth it to try to learn how to do it. Thank you so much.